Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hope everyone is doing fine. Let us get talking to today's topic. In the last two videos, we have seen the rules of waqf, right? That how to stop, where to stop, and we also saw practically how with the surahs where to stop, how to stop, right? Now, what are we going to see? What happens whenever a symbol is there? How does that symbol affect the stop? Okay, the waqf rules. Inshallah ta'ala, we will see. Consider a word. We'll take ahadu only. Ahada was there. Okay, if fatha was there, yes, just like this example, then that will become sukoon. So this ahada will end up as ahad when you're stopping. So the stopping may not be the same, like end of the word si hona chahiye. There is no rule like that. It can be meme, it can be jim, it can be anything. Okay, so wherever you are stopping, if the word has got fatha at the end, what happens to that? It will end with a sakin. Okay, automatically you must make that as a sukun. So what happened if kasra is there? Same, no changes, you'll just make that into sukun as well. So same, ma, sa and di was there. Ma, sa, di. So what will this di become? This will become ma, sa and di. Okay, this is how you have got to stop. Similarly, if you have got sukun already, what to do? Okay, what to do? No changes. जैसे है वैसे ही रखने का. Masad, if that was the case, then you will write it as masad. You'll read it as masad only. Okay, if dhamma was there, again change it into sukun. Okay, so fatha hai, kasra hai, dhamma and sukun. All of this, if the word is ending with all these rules, then you must change it into sukun. So you might be thinking everything is sukun. No, there are certain changes. We will just see now. So whenever you have this symbol, so this is alif sughra or khada zabar, right, standing fatha, even then you will not get sukun. So till now you got everything sukun, but here it is change. What is going to happen? If any word starts from khada zabar or that standing alif or the dagger alif, then it will be the same. Yes, it is going to be the same. For example, ta and ha was there. Okay, this taha, when you're stopped, you won't read it as tah. You don't do that. You don't make this as a sukun, just like these cases. Okay, rather you will just read as it is. Okay, but is it the same for ya sohra or khadi zair or ulta pesh or inverted dhamma? No, again these will become sukun only. So till now whatever symbols we saw, only the standing fatha or the dagger alif is going to remain as it is. All the other symbols will become sukun. What about shadda now? No problem at all, just like fatha, kasra, dhamma. However, shadda does not come single, right? So if shadda with fatha is there, that is going to convert it to be as shadda with sakin. Shadda with kasra will become shadda with sakin, sukun, right now. So it is one and the same. Till now what was the change? If this dagger alif is there, khada zabar is there, then what happens? This will be unchanged. Okay, this will be the same. So what about their partners like khadi zair and ulta pesh? As said, even they become sukun. Only this special VIP khada zabar is going to be the same. Okay, now going to other symbols. What are the other symbols? We have tanween. Yes, tanween. What are tanween? The family of two harakas, right? Like this is fatha, and when you have got two of them, it will be fathatain. Yes, you have yad, that is hand. When you count like two hands, it will be yadain, right? Walid, walidain. Then what you have, shafatain. Like whatever is two in number, then you will just add the a in there. So fathatain, you have got kasratain, and you have dhamma ka dhammatain. What happens when these come? Again no changes. Here you make it as a sukun, you convert this also sukun. but only this is treated as VIP. And what happens there? You will read it as alif madda. Okay, that is going to be converted into alif madda. How come? For example, again we are gonna take a simple example, a, ha, and then. By the way, fathatain doesn't come like this alone. You will be also considering this alif. It will be always associated with that alif. Now what happens when you're reading? You don't keep it as it is, neither you do the sakin there. Then what do? You take that one fatha and you will read. So it was like this, na? So what do? You'll just take out that one fatha and you'll read with an alif mad. Okay, so what was that ahadan going to be? Ahadan, now it is going to be when stopped, ahada. So you must be elongating two counts. You must not do ahad, you must also not do ahada, not too much elongation, and you must not do the short elongation, ahada. No, two counts of elongation, ahada. Okay, so what happened till now? If you can just observe the sound, the fatha, family of fatha is getting somewhat extra VIP treatments when it is getting stopped, right? So everything till now is going to be converted into sukoon, except the dagger alif, it is going to be the same. Then whenever you have got fathatain, that is going to be converted into alif madda, that is alif along with fatha, right? Then going to the next rules. What are the next rule? There is this ta. Okay, by the way, this is called as ta marbuta. You have got two tas. One is this smiling ta, smiley face. See, this is like smiley face and that dots, right? So this ta is smiling. This is called as ta maftuha. And when you have this one, this is scared, right? Now that is the face and you have got two dots. It is scared, it feels like some guy is screaming, oh, right? No, so why are you afraid? We are afraid of the booth, so it is marbuta. Okay, marbuta. Now this ta is very simple. This ta is very simple, but this ta does some circus. What are the circus it does? The thing is, this ta, इसके parents हैं, just to remember, I'm telling, by the way, the parents ha and mummy is ta. Okay, so it has got the qualities of both ha and ta. It looks like them, right? It is the shape, like body is like that, and you have got two dots of the ta. So it will carry the qualities of both letters. What are the qualities? How it is going to carry? Whenever you read it spontaneously without stopping, it is read as ta. Okay, whenever you stop it, then it becomes ha. Okay, for example, ho, ta, ma, tu. Just remember, ho, ta, ma, tu, ऐसा कुछ था example, and you're stopping. Okay, whenever you're stopping, what did I say? Irrespective of the symbol. तो चाहे इसके ऊपर you have fatha, dhamma, kasratain, alif madda, whatever it is there. Okay, you just name it, irrespective of what symbol is there, you will just make it into ha sakina. Yes, so that is going to become as hutamah, hutamah. Okay, irrespective of the symbol of what it is having. Okay, if you don't want to stop, tell hutamatu was there and here something like some words are there. What do? If you're not stopping, you read it as ta, hutamatu, and you're going. Okay, hopefully you have understood. Let us quickly revise. Fatha, kasra, dhamma, sukoon, alif sughra, ya sughra, waw sughra, anything with shadda, all of these become, oh, I'm sorry, you should have not included this one. Okay, not alif sughra. So everything, they all become what? They all become sakin. They all become sukoon at the end. What doesn't change? Whenever you have fathatain, it is getting converted into alif madda. Whenever alif sughra is there, that is the khada zabar, it is going to be the same. And whenever you have got ta marbuta, not maftuha, marbuta, then that is going to be changed as ha sakina, Okay, ha sakina, irrespective of what the symbol may be. So hopefully you have understood. Let us just check out one very useful page here. This is really good, so you can download this is Tajweed book PDF, love for Quran. So in this you have got very easy concept, mashallah. So when you go to lesson number 15 here, so you can see we can see ahada, yes, has become ahad. Hisabi with kasra has become hisab. Alimu with dhamma have become alim. Masadin has become masad. Shadidun has become shadid. Yulad with sukun has been the same, no changes at all. Yulad, and comes here. Dekho, afwajan, and it is going to be afwaja. Tuwan, it is going to be tuwa. So if you can observe here, there is like ya here right now, but here that ya is gone and alif is there. Now that's not a printing mistake or anything. This is the actual concept. Inshallah ta'ala in the future videos we can see. Okay, so as of now fathatain has become the alif madda. Here it is alif madda and it is the same, no changes. Again khada zabar, the dagger alif is the same. Taha remains taha. Utamatu, now you have got marbuta, right? What happens to marbuta? It becomes ha sakin. Yes, what about this ha, this kind of ha? No problem. Yes, ulta peshana, so that is going to be the same, sakin sakin. Hopefully you have, alhamdulillah, understood. Now there is one thing I want to add. Whenever you're going to see the fathas, no, you will never have these kind of fathatain, ban, the oh, what am I writing? Okay, ban, and you will not have tan. You will be always having this alif attached to it. Okay, an, ban, tan. But in Quran you will not see this ma, an with alif you will be not having. Whenever you have only this much. What to do when this comes, when you're stopped? Should you elongate for 2 counts or should you not? The thing is, you have got to. Okay, even if the stopping is there, you must consider that as ma a. ठीक है, sama a, ja a, and you have got to extend. Okay, hopefully that was very much understood by everyone. Jazakillahu khairan kaseera. We will meet inshallah ta'ala in the next video.